Welcome YouTubers. This is Hoarders Church. There is very little history on this church. It's a stone-built early 20th century church, which is rumoured to have been visited by Robert Burns between 1759 to 1796. It's located still in an active churchyard. In 1905, the foundation stone of this church was laid. The cemetery opened in 1906. The church is now in a poor state and is now permanently locked up. The graveyard contains one Commonwealth war grave from the First World War and two from the Second World War. The church has been unused for approximately 20 years. At some point, probably in the early 80s, it was no longer used as a church and became a residential property. The residents were hoarders and amassed a huge collection of dolls, toys, books and ornaments, as you can see. If you don't know what a hoarder means, it's a hoarding disorder, where someone acquires an excessive number of items and stores them in a chaotic manner, usually resulting in unmanageable amounts of clutter. The items can be of little or no monetary value of how it's affecting their life or the lives of others. Many do realise they have a problem, but are reluctant to seek help because they feel extremely ashamed, humiliated or guilty about it. Look around with us, you may be surprised in what you can see. Some of the things here you may remember and bring back a lot of memories from your own childhood, or that you used to use one of these items. Nevertheless, the items here will astonish you. hope that you enjoyed this video and maybe brought back some memories for you too. Same as the owners may have had that stayed here. Until next time, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and also check out my Instagram for more pictures.